Pakistan's pediatricians are urging the country's drug regulator to reconsider part of its syringe ban, warning that a blanket restriction could disrupt critical care for newborns and children. The Pakistan Pediatric Association has asked the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan to grant an exemption for conventional 10cc syringes. The appeal comes as Pakistan responds to a worrying rise in pediatric HIV cases linked to unsafe medical practices, including the alleged reuse and mishandling of syringes. DRAP has already announced a complete ban on conventional 1cc disposable syringes from the end of 2026. It has also banned the retail and market sale of conventional 10cc disposable syringes from January 2027. But pediatricians say the 10cc syringe is different. They argue that it is an essential tool in neonatal intensive care units and pediatric wards, where it is used for feeding premature and critically ill infants, preparing intravenous medicines, measuring liquid doses, and giving rehydration solutions to children who cannot swallow standard medicines. The association says DRAP's goal of preventing syringe reuse is important, but the policy must be targeted and based on clinical realities. It warned that a broad ban on 10cc syringes could create bottlenecks in hospitals and affect daily life-saving care. The warning follows the HIV outbreak linked to Walika Hospital in Karachi, where 78 children were confirmed HIV positive and 6 deaths were aborted. A wider screening drive in the surrounding site area found 120 additional HIV positive cases, while another screening campaign at a SESI-run hospital in Landi found 10 more infections. Sindh officials said inquiries into the outbreak found serious lapses, including weak infection prevention protocols, mishandling of single-use syringes, and poor medical waste disposal. The Sindh Healthcare Commission also found that needles had been manually removed from used syringes at Walika Hospital, raising concerns over where they had gone and how they were disposed of. The hospital was also found lacking formal infection control training, written safety guidelines, proper waste segregation, and fully implemented corrective measures. 37 officers and staff members, including administrators, doctors, nurses, laboratory personnel, and support staff, were suspended or issued show-cause notices. The pediatricians are now asking DRAP to convene an expert panel, including child health and infectious disease specialists, to design safer syringe rules without compromising neonatal and pediatric care. For Pakistan, the challenge is urgent but delicate, stopping unsafe syringe reuse without creating new risks for children who depend on these tools for treatment, feeding, and survival.